Hello friends, you are watching This is Awesome Videos, and today we are going to solve some past year JEE problems. Okay, so this all question today we are going to solve is from AIEEE 2009. I selected a pretty good question of the selected topic, so we are going to solve this all the questions today right now. Okay, let's see the first number. This is a very tricky but still a very good question. Okay, this is a combination of function and integration both. What they say, integration 0 to pi box of cot x dx, box denotes the greatest integer function is equals to what. Now see here, first of all, this is a very good question. So how we are going to evaluate this, let's see that. We all know that the formula we learn in the video lecture, topic video lecture. We saw use this formula in the past few JEE problems also. Integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration a to b f of b plus a minus x dx. That means upper plus lower minus x. The same formula we are going to use now. See, I is equal to 0 to pi cot x dx. So we, what we do, I do 0 to pi, that means upper plus lower minus x, that means pi minus x. So cot of pi minus x dx, so it becomes 0 to pi minus cot x dx, because pi minus x is the second quadrant where cot is negative. So we left with minus cot x dx. Now as our basics, it is I, this is also I, so we add them up, so it becomes 2i is equals to 0 to pi box of cot x dx plus 0 to pi minus cot x dx. Now see, what is the answer of this? This is the 0 to pi box of cot x plus box of minus cot x dx. Now we all know that box of x plus box of minus x is equals to minus 1 if x doesn't belongs to z, and is equal to 0 if x belongs to z. Now how this equation is derived? See friends, this is a very important equation. The sum is very easy, but for this particular equation the sum is going to be tricky, so I solved it now. See here, box x plus box of minus x. Now let the value of any x not having belongs to z. That means let's say x is equal to 2.5. So box of 2.5, that means it's 2, right? Correct. Box of 2.5 is 2 plus box of minus 2.5, that is minus 3. So 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. And now take any value of z, that means let's take 2. So box of 2 is 2, box of minus 2 is 2, sorry, minus 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0. So if the x is integer, then box x plus box of minus x is 0, and if x is not non-integer value, then box x plus minus box x is equals to minus 1. This is a very important relation. So here is 0 to pi box of cot x plus box of minus cot x. Here the value of box of cot x is non-integer, so our answer is minus 1. See, because cot x value is differ from 0 to infinite, so it vary from r, so answer is minus 1 into dx. Now minus 1 is constant, its integration is minus x 0 to pi, so we left with minus pi, so I is equal to minus pi by 2. This is my answer. Answer option number 4 is my right answer, minus pi by 2. The question is very easy, but this thing is very important, so note down this point. They are going to be asked according to this point. Each and every point is important in JEE mains and advanced both. Okay, so never forget this. Let's see one more. The projection of vector on the three coordinate axes are 6, minus 3, 2 respectively. These are the coordinates. The direction cosines of the vectors are, we know the formula of the direction cosines. Direction cosines is equal to, suppose this is a, then direction cosines is equal to a upon mod a bar. The first x bar gives us cos alpha, this gives us cos beta, and this gives us cos gamma. So first of all, what we do, we find out the square root of this, that means mod, that means root of 6 square plus root of minus 3 square plus root of 2 square, that means root of 36 plus 9 plus 4, that is 49. So we left with 7. Now a upon mod a bar, that means 6 by 7 minus 3 by 7 and 2 by 7. So this is are the direction cosine. Very simple question. Here this is 6 by 7 is cos alpha, this is cos beta, and this is cos gamma. Okay, so very simple question. Now again, this is a very pretty good question. AIEEE 2009, sorry. The same question we solved in the topic lecture of sequence and series, and that question is asked in JEE approximately 2014 or 15, because at that time we solved all the problems of JEE of the sequence and series. Now see, you can see here the same problem, just the numbers are changed, but the same method is used in AIEEE 2009. So the method is repeated, the numbers are only changed. Okay, so please follow this method. Here you can see 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3 square plus 10 by 3 raised to 3 plus 15 by 3 raised to 4 up to infinite. Now this is a series, but this is not forming any arithmetic progression or a geometric progression. So what we do, we just divide it by 1 by 3. Okay, so we take s is equal to 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3 square plus 10 by 3 cube plus 14 by 3 raised to 4. So we divide with it 1 by 3s, so we have 1 by 3 plus 2 by this. Okay, now at that topic lecture, those students who don't know that, please go to that video and watch that. I told you that you have to, this second equation is one step aside. You have to put this second equation one step aside. So you left with 1 minus 0, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So denominator, the subtraction must be done by the two parts where the denominator is same. So 3 by here 3 3, so 2 minus 1, so it's 1 by 3. Here 6 minus 2, that is 4 by 3 square, then 4 by 3 cube, then 4 by 3 raised to 4. So now we have, and here s minus 1 by 3s, so it's 2 by 3s. Now we have a particular geometrical progression. Here you can see easily, here 1 plus 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3, and we have 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 square plus 4 by 3 is to 4 gets common out, so we have 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is to 4. That is a geometrical progression. Okay, so we have here 2 by 3 s is equal to 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 square common, so 1 plus 1 by 3 plus this all the stuff, so 2 by 3 s is equal to 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 square common, and this is a infinite GP, and the formula is a upon 1 minus r. We all know that. Those students who don't know that, I recommend you to watch a topic lecture on sequence and series. I already posted a video on that. I got all of the formulas of arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and harmonic progression. Okay, so please watch that video. Here you can see it's 4 by 3 square, a upon 1 minus r. R is the common ratio. We all know that it's 1 by 3 here, so it becomes 3 minus 1, that is 2, and 3 gets cancelled out, so we left with 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 square into 3 by 2. Okay, so now this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled out, 3 gets cancelled out, so we left with 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is 6 by 2, that is 3. So we have 2 by 3s here. 2 by 3s is equals to 3, so 3 gets cancelled out, and we left with s is equal to 3. Okay, so this is my answer. S is equal to 3 is my answer. So which answer option is right? Answer option number 2 is my right option. Okay, so very easy question, but the same method is used which we use in the JEE 2014 or 15 question. I don't know the exact year, but we solved that particular question in our topic lecture video. Okay, so please continue watching, and don't forget the past. I am now I'm not going to cover any new say chapter, because I want that you learn all the topics clearly, that we learn, because what happens, we learning a new chapter and we forget the past one. That doesn't beneficial to us, so we have to remember all the past topics. So I am going to solve a past year problem based on our covered topics, and then I'm going to move on circle, parabola, and ellipse. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.